Hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. It is raining out here in New York today. But I did get my package from a Destash that I purchased here on YouTube. Whenever I find a good deal, I always try to snatch it up. But let's see if it's a good deal or not. I bought this purchase from Crafty Girl 101 here on YouTube. I will leave a link to her channel down below so that you guys can go and check her out. She's done a few different D-stashes. Not sure if she's gonna continue to do them, but you never know, so go and check her out. So I bought this for $40 from her. That included the shipping. Let's see what I got, and let's see if it was worth it. Because you know, sometimes it's a hit and a miss. I do like to feel that I tend to make good purchases when I do make these types of purchases, but we shall see. It's nothing like seeing things up close and personal. So yay, look at all of this yumminess, you guys. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna try to slide this over like this. I can kind of go showing you guys what I have out. So first, right on the very tippy top, we have some embossing powders. Yeah, so I have embossing powders, and the color doesn't say the color, but I have these 3 colors in embossing powders. Where's this fine? Let's see. Embossing powder by Ranger. So these are Ranger embossing powders. So I have this peachy color, this blue color, and this like lavender color. It's lilac pearl. I don't know what this says, but I don't want to waste too much time removing labels. But I got those 3 embossing powders. We got some Stickles in silver and in gold. And then this one that is like a gray. It's like a black, but it's like a very clear kind of black. So we got that. We got some inks, some alcohol inks, which is perfect because I'm doing resins and I needed, you can never have too much alcohol inks when you're working with resins. So we have wild plum, what's this, apricot, no, butterscotch, and also steam or stream, that's what it's called, stream. So those. We have here some perfect pearls, perfect pearl mist. Still has a lot of product there. She did say to add water to them if I needed to, so we'll do that if I need to. See, this one is gonna need water. This one's mostly used up, but we do have some mica powder products still there, so I can still get some use out of that. Let's see these. These are Lindy's Gang, and this one has been mostly used up, but I'll add some water in it and see how much more I can still get from that. The Lindy sprays are, they ship them to you in powder form and you add the water yourself. We have this one and down the rabbit hole, so I'm going to say this is like a black. We have these. This one is a Recollections ink spray, Simply Pastel. It's got a lot of product in there. Nice vibrant yellow. We have this one by Heidi Swap. It's a bronze kind of color, and I can see there's a lot of material still stuck on the jar there. I'm getting ready for my new crafty space, you guys. So I'm trying to, you know, whenever I find these stashes that I can get a lot of the things that I'm actually looking for in one place, I go for it. Nothing like being able to window shop and bargain shop all from the comfort of your home. This one is mustard, and this one looks brand new almost. And then we have this citron, which is like that. And thank you so much for packaging them the way that you did. It protected the package. The package looks very well kept, so nothing really spilled out. We have this one in peach, and then we have this one in coral. Beautiful, because these are colors that I did not have. So that's awesome, awesome. Let's continue on with the sprays. This one, I think it did leak out. No, that's the tree. That's the tree. This one we have Heirloom Gold, which is like a vintagey kind of gold color. And then we have this one. I love these colors. I have a few of these colors, but I love that color so much I use it a lot. Like a baby blue. We have this one here, which is a Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And this one is Lemon Zest. Let's see, some stuff does look like it leaked out. We have this one by Heidi Swapp, Seafoam. This color here. Oh, this one might have leaked out a little bit. Or maybe that's just the way they were. This one is white. You can never have too much, friends. Sorry, but I was interrupted and I took the time to actually go ahead and add some water to some of these just to kind of see where I was. So to continue with the sharing of the Destash items, I did put a lot of this other stuff back into the box. We also got these by Tattered Angels. This one is Candy Apple Red, it says on it. And this one is Peach Delight. We also have these, which I had to fill these up because the bag was really, I took these out of the bag and put them in a different bag. These were really gunky, I guess. This one, I guess, was, whatever was left in this one was leaking out. And then I did go ahead and add some water to them because they were kind of empty. Well, they were empty, actually. So I still have a little bit of product left in here. There's still some shimmer left from what I can tell. And I have alcohol inks and stuff like that. So, and I also have pearlescent powders and all of these different things. So if anything, once these are finished, I'll try to use the bottles back up if possible, if they still work well. And I'll make my own colors for those to refill them. We also got these little dittos. And in this one we have, doesn't tell me the color. So this is like a burgundy-ish kind of color is what it looks like. Then I have this one that's a teal. There's a lot of products still in there, so I'm sure that once I add the water, which I have right here, I'll be able to fill that up as well. This one has a lot of product in it as well, and this is like a blue, like a royal blue. So overall, I'm gonna say that a lot of the 90% of the sprays were good. 10% of the sprays, you can tell that they've already been used a couple times and the colors have been super diluted. These Lindy Gang ones, this one still has some powder in it, but the other Lindy's Gang is very diluted. It's this one right here. There's still a little bit in there, but it's very diluted. But there's still some, you can still see some of the pearlescent effect in them. But this one was like, I think, the most used out of all the ones that I got so far. But I refilled them, as you can see, and there's still a lot of product in there. Well, that's enough for at least this round. I think after this round they'll be repurposed for something else. So I think for the sprays on this little mister right here, and this little shimmer mister by Tsukineko, right? Whatever. Tsukineko, okay, that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna stick to that for now. So these were all the sprays that I got. That's quite a lot of sprays. So I'm super excited about this purchase. I got a nice amount. There's over 20 little bottles there. Now the last two things as far as this is concerned, we got 2 more packages of Stickles, or Stickle-like products. This one, these are the Stickle ones. So we got Spice Marmalade, we got Tattered Rose, and we got Fire Brick. So from these, I got these other 3 ones right here, which are the silver, the golds, and then this big black one. So I got these as far as Stickles. And then these three recollections. And then these three recollection ones. Sunflower. Oh, I got another Stickles right here. This waterfall one, and then this pink blush are recollection. So these two, super cute. My hands might be a little dirty because I was grabbing the stuff out of the bottle. So on the Stickles, I got all of these. All the bottles are full. Very happy with that. I got 3 of these alcohol inks, which is fine. More than enough for now. We also got this pack of colored pencils, and this is color with water. These are watercolor pencils. Watercolor pencils, yep. By Marvi Uchida. So I got those. I also got this watercolor palette right here. And it looks like they haven't been used. Maybe this one was used, and maybe this one and this one. But the rest look pretty good. So like maybe 3 or 4 of them were used, but it's still pretty full. So I got this. I got this pack of colored pencils, which is still taped up, so I don't think it's been used. Oh, I got open from one side. Nope, it's still taped up. So I got these by AC, American Crafts. And there are 48 color pencils in here. We also got this package of 36 pieces of soft pastels. Artist Loft brands. And that's how that came. And then the last thing for this Destash, and then I'm going to call it a day. With this for you guys, it's going to be this pack of Sargent Art 30. I think there's 29. Alright, you guys, it's getting hectic for me here on this side of the woods. So I'm going to call this Show and Tell Wrap. And this is all the awesome goodies that I purchased. Again, the price was 40 bucks shipped. Let me know down below, you guys. Let me know in your comments what you thought about this Destash. Was it a good buy? I think it was. I think I got a nice amount of different color sprays and different stuff for the price. I'm super excited to add these to the collection. And you guys, I will catch you all on the next one. Till then, stay happy, stay sane, and stay healthy. Bye.